here I've got 4 ounces of a bittersweet chocolate. I'm gonna put it in the food processor to grate it. That was noisy. Some people prefer to sip this. This is what I'm gonna do this time. Certainly don't have to, but it just makes sure that there's no lumps and everything's mixed really well. So I am going to 1.5 cups of cocoa. I think. Oops. And this is just cocoa powder. Whoa. Okay, well, not good. 2 cups of powdered sugar, tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of salt. I grate mine from my salt shaker because I want it to be really fine. So that was already pre-measured. So I'm gonna go ahead and sip this. I'm gonna sip this, whisk it together. Sometimes we can get a little messy, but it's okay. We'll make sure that we don't have any lumps in here and that everything will get mixed in together.